This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix you need to authenticate before accessing this item error in iPhone. So if you're trying to open a file in your Files app but you see this issue, follow these quick solutions to fix this issue. Go to your iPhone settings, tap on your name, tap on iCloud, enable iCloud Drive. If it's already enabled, disable it and turn it back on, and then tap on Photos and enable iCloud Photos. And after doing this, make sure to use a strong internet connection, and hope this solution will fix the issue. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.